In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Yahoo Mail into Gmail. Start by ensuring that you're signed into your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, open your favorite web browser and navigate to Gmail. Enter your login credentials carefully to access your account. Once you're in Gmail, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you will find a gear-shaped icon. This is your settings icon. Click on it, and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, select See All Settings. This option will take you to a page with more detailed settings for you to explore. When the All Settings page loads, focus on the tab at the top labeled Accounts and Import. Click on this tab, as it will guide you to the specific settings necessary for importing and managing other email accounts. Now, let's concentrate on bringing your Yahoo Mail into the mix. Within this section, you should locate an option called Import Mail and Contacts. Click on this option to kickstart the importing process. You'll be prompted to enter the email address from which you wish to import. In our scenario, this requires you to type in your Yahoo email address. Enter it accurately, then click on Continue. After you've entered your Yahoo email address, Gmail will ask for your permission to access your Yahoo account. During this step, you'll encounter a screen requesting you to agree to the terms. Simply click Agree to allow Gmail to establish a connection with your Yahoo account. With your permission granted, you'll be presented with options detailing exactly what you wish to import from Yahoo. Typical options include your contacts, your existing emails, and potentially other data available for transfer. Choose the data you want to bring over. It might be beneficial to import both your mail and contacts, as this will make the transition to Gmail seamless and efficient. Once you've selected your desired options, look for the button labeled Start Import and click on it. And there you have it. Gmail will initiate the process of importing your data from Yahoo. Depending on how much data you need to transfer, this process might take a little bit of time, but you should be all set shortly. We hope that you found this guide simple to follow. Transferring your emails from Yahoo to Gmail can streamline your email management, providing you with the comprehensive suite of tools that Google offers within its platform. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your new, consolidated email experience.